Yo, what's good, boys? Caught an absolute banger today. Super clean long position. I'm gonna break down exactly why I ended up entering into this trade. So, going into market open, the higher time frames looked pretty bullish. We were respecting a bullish daily fair value gap. I'll jump on the daily time frame here and I'll zoom in. As we can see, we had this bullish daily fair value gap right here. Draw this on the chart, and we see that from Tuesday, price came down and respected this bullish daily gap almost perfectly. So, and we obviously got a super good reaction back to the upside. So going into market open today, I was leaning more bullish. Obviously, I like to wait for New York session open to kind of choose my bias. I like to see what direction price is going to move in, but I was leaning more bullish just because of the higher time frames, and we were respecting this bullish daily gap. And then I'll jump back to the 3 minute. Actually, I'll go on the 15 minute first. So 15-minute time frame, we had these 15-minute lows right here that off of New York session open, price came down, swept out those lows. We were also respecting this bullish 15-minute fair value gap right here. So we're respecting the bullish 15-minute gap, got the 15-minute sweep, and a really good reaction back to the upside. Obviously, had some questions today. Some people asked, why did you take longs when the 4-hour inversed at 10 a.m.? So at 10 a.m., this 4-hour gap right here did get inversed, but like I mentioned earlier, on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame, we were respecting the bullish daily fair value gap. So I always got to go with the higher time frame. We were still respecting the bullish daily gap. So the 4-hour gap getting inversed really did not matter to me. And then going back to the 3-minute, obviously we had our 15-minute sweep, which was right here. Price was delivering out of the 15-minute bullish gap. We held that bullish 15-minute gap, which I really liked. That told me that we most likely wanted to move higher to take out more liquidity, and I was obviously correct here. We had a bearish 3-minute right here. They got inversed with pretty good momentum. The 1-minute was pretty choppy, but I did like the 3-minute. It was pretty good momentum through here. Entered off the 3-minute close, stop loss below the fair value gap. Obviously, went break even at these internal highs right here, and TP was at this 15-minute high here. So I'll go back to the 15-minute time frame. We did have equal highs above. Obviously, I could have held this trade, tried to hit a home run. It would have been like a 1-to-6 risk to reward, but I didn't because we had these bearish 15-minute gaps here. Price could have came up into this area here and respected it and then moved back lower, and I would have been fucked. I would have got stopped out at break even after being up over 3R. So just obviously was not smart to do that. So took my profits at the 15-minute high. Super good play today. Hopefully we can carry this momentum into the rest of the week. Hopefully you guys had a good trading day today, and I'll be back on here tomorrow with another recap. Peace.